What is up, my FX Maker family? Welcome back to today's Halloween makeup tutorial. In today's Halloween makeup tutorial, we're going to be going over this Captain Jack Sparrow mummy dead pirate looking thing. So if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below and give this video a like. And let's hop into it right now. So taking a life cast or a mannequin head, you want to take some cotton balls and enroll them also, and some liquid latex. You want to start by putting a nice layer of liquid latex down on your life cast or mannequin head. And they're going to start adding the cotton, saturating the cotton, and sculpting with the cotton. So, this is what I've done here. I've sculpted with the cotton. I've made sure the cotton is really good and saturated. And I've done several layers of this and just sculpted it how I wanted it. Now we're going to take some fake fingernails and we're going to make some teeth. Because that's the easiest way to make teeth. So we make some teeth. You can trim them down and use different sizes that you would like. And that's what I did. So now we're just going to stick them into the wet cotton and liquid latex to make sure they're really stuck in there. Then we're going to take a little Q-tip that has some dry latex on it. We're going to dip back into the latex. And we're going to put some latex at the bottom of these teeth just to make sure that they stay nice and well and do not fall out. We do not want teeth to fall out even though they look like they're going to or look like they're rotten. We don't want them to fall out. Now this is what it should look like when it's completely dry after 24 hours. So taking some acrylic paint or grease paint, whatever you want to use, we're going to go in and start coloring this. So I'm going to be taking a brown, an orange, some black. So the orange is kind of like a rusty orange. And we're really watering down these paints. We want nice washes. We want this to be like translucent. And we want to do layers. So taking the burnt orange, we're just going to cover the whole thing with burnt orange. Now taking the brown, we're going to do some contouring and all that fun stuff. So like inside the nose, the cheekbones, the eyes, you know, whatever you want to do. Now, we're going to take the brown again and we're going to fill in around the teeth, the gums, and inside the mouth to make it kind of look like it's rotten and just decaying away. And we are going to leave the teeth white because, you know, why not? That's what I wanted to go for. Now taking a black, we're going to go back inside the gums and around the teeth and deepen it up and darken it up a little bit. Just make sure that it's more rotten and more hollow inside the mouth. Every single paint we do is a wash, so it's really watered down. Now we're going to take the black paint and we're going to go inside the nose and every little detail around the face. And then we're going to dab it out with a sponge. And we're going to go inside the eyes also and dab it out. See, we're going in little nooks and crannies and cracks. Alright, so now let's apply this makeup. So taking a stable sponge and some body paints, we're going to be going in with some yellows and some browns. And we're just going to dab this all over our hands to make our hands look like they are rotten. But you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to do skeleton hands, do skeleton hands. I'm just doing this because why not? Now we're going to take the brown and we're going to go stipple over the yellow and get some textures up in here in different colors, like the yellow and the brown. So like that, kind of like our hands are rotting. Now, time to apply the prosthetics. So, take some liquid latex or Prozaid. You want to stick this on your face. Make sure you do not get this inside your hair, because if you get it inside your hair, it's not coming out. So I'm going to put it on my forehead and on my cheeks, and then we're going to put the rest inside the prosthetic. Alright, now stick the prosthetic up in your hand and add some liquid latex or Prozaid, whichever one you used, all inside the mask and on the edges. If you're allergic to liquid latex, please do not do this. So after a few minutes, go ahead and stick it on your face and hold it there for a few seconds until it is stuck together. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, yeah. So now, taking a paintbrush and some body paint or cream body paint, you just want to color inside your eye sockets and make them as dark as possible and hollow. If you use cream body paints, you can also set this with black eyeshadow, but I did not. I just went straight cream body paints. Now, taking a liquid latex, you want to glue down the edges. Also, if you glue down the edges, if you want to paint your actual face the same color as the prosthetic, go ahead and do that. I did not do that because I wanted to see if my hair could cover it up, but my hair did not cover it up, so if I was you, I would just paint the side of your face to match your prosthetic. Now we're going to braid our hair, because you know a pirate has some braids and some dreads, so we're going to braid some on both sides. And you can do as many braids as you want, or as little as you want. You don't have to do braids at all if you don't want to. I'm just adding a few braids here and there, like 2 on each side. Alright, so now get your bandana or some cloth and you want to put it on your head. Because you know a pirate has a bandana or some type of pirate hat or both. But we're just going to do a bandana today. And we're trying to adjust it to our head to make sure we like it. Alright, now time to get our uniform. This is like an old antique like type of coat. I really love it and I thought it would go good with our pirates. So I'm putting it on. Now I'm going to go in here and do some fake dreads where you twist and you pull up the like frizzy parts of your hair to your scalp. I only done it one time, but you can do it more than one time. But be careful because you are dreading your hair. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now we're going to take this scarf because you remember I did not paint my neck or the sides of my face, so I'm trying to hide it best as possible. So I'm going to take the scarf, try to hide my neck. Looking back, I should have painted my neck and the sides of my face, but I thought my hair and this scarf would hide it, but it did not. Alright, so this is the final look, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you're not already and leave a like down below. And I'll see y'all guys later. Alright, bye everyone.